Here's a pair of Boulder Opal pieces. It's been split in half, fits together like this. Not a lot of fantastic colour, but still a pair. It's got the gap there where its piece is broken off the top there. It's got this bar of colour down each side here. You can make those into two matching earrings, or if you want to make it bigger pendant type pieces, incorporate some of this grey and semi-crystal potch, grey potch here and then darker brown type potch on the outside. So I'll be looking at probably cutting it through there, have that as a pair, get another little stone off the top. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.